So I've never done this before, and I have no idea what to expect. I've not watched any videos. I'm just going to go for it and see what happens. The first thing I'm going to use, well, first thing I'll do is get these tools out. I've actually already got these tools in one of my toolboxes, but they came free with the Digitizer, so why not use them? So I believe this is called a spudger, but I'm not too sure. Let's try and lift this thing up here. And we want to lift the Digitizer up from the body of the actual tablet. At this point I don't really care if it breaks the ribbon. There's actually a ribbon here as well. It won't matter because of course this is a broken Digitizer anyway. There we go. So there's the old Digitizer. I don't know if I should break this or not. I don't know really. Well, I can't really use it the way it is, so I guess I might as well just break it. Right, so that is, well, this Digitizer is now completely unusable. But there it is, the broken one. I'll put that there. And the next thing I need to do is to get this screen out, it looks like. What have we got here? Yeah, this one. Yeah, so I said a lot of people say it's got a cracked screen. It hasn't. It's got a cracked Digitizer, and people often don't understand, you know, what's a screen and what's a Digitizer. I mean, sometimes with phones and stuff like that, sometimes it is easier to replace both the screen and the Digitizer at the same time. But with this particular tablet, I don't think that's the case. Anyway, so what am I going to do here? There are more ribbons. Yeah, there's the other ribbon there. And there are the batteries and the motherboard. Anyway, I'll take this out. Oh, it was already out. Well, maybe that's just because I've been pulling it. So there's the other part of the Digitizer. So what are we looking at now? There's the screen connector. There's some sort of glue on here, which I might need to re-glue it. Let's get the new one out. So first of all, what's this? Oh, that's the glue. Okay. So this white thing is this bezel thing that goes around here. And I guess that's included if you've broken your black bezel, which in my case I haven't broken it. But should I replace it anyway? I don't really know. Should I? Let's see if it easily comes off. If it easily comes off, I guess I will replace it. If not, I'll probably just leave it. Yeah, it's not really broken or anything, so maybe I should leave it on. Yeah, I can't see any problem with it, I'll leave it on. The next thing I need to do is to wipe this screen, because whenever they dropped it, it got a lot of dust particles on it, you see? I don't know if the camera can pick it out, but it's got a lot of dust on it. So I'll need to wipe this. Of course, if I don't and I glue the Digitizer on, then I'm stuck with it like that. Yeah, now this. Oh, hang on a minute, I'm supposed to be taking that off. Oh, there we go. There's a protective cover on it. Oh, that's good. So I have to take this off here. Oh, now that does make sense. This gets plugged in just here. If it'll actually go in. You're going to go in? There we go. Put those little clips down. Okay, the little clips are down. I've just touched that screen now, so it needs to be cleaned again. But the clips are down. So that's good. I'll have to clean the oil off this. Basically when you touch it you get oil on it from your hands. Look at that now. There we go. So I'll just place this down here. And screw it back into place. Oh, and I've just touched the screen again. We're almost done. I think I'm going to have to get a cloth. The next thing I need to do is peel the sticky stuff off this. So let's see what I've got here. This maybe. So that's all the sticky stuff done. So next I've got to take this off, which is the internal thing to stop dust, and then stick it down, and hopefully it'll be right. Now this here, I don't know if I should be cleaning this off or what, but I guess probably not. Although I will get some of this junk off here from in this gap. I just touched that again there. Then maybe I should get that off actually. I think I'll give it a go with some cleaner and see. So now I have some isopropanol. Let's see if this gets the sticky stuff off. I've also got acetone that I could try if I wanted as well. No, it looks like it's not coming off, so let's do a bit of scratching here. I've got all the dirty stuff off. Doesn't look too bad now. I'm just going to wipe this thing clean. And again, it's the screen. But this time I've got alcohol to help. this off first. Okay. Well, hopefully it'll work without any problems. So since I'm not really that familiar with this iPad thing, I can't actually install a Paint program. Now what I expect is that you click on App Store, and I expect that there's something here to allow you to browse apps, so explore, but nothing comes up, so I don't know what the hell's going on with that. Maybe you have to update it or something, I don't know. Oh, but what I could do is show you maps. It's probably a good way to test. So if I go to United Kingdom, you can see that I can pan and scan, I can pinch, and whatever the opposite of that is. I can look at Northern Ireland and whatever. I see I can move around without any problems. So it looks like the screen is fixed pretty good. So I'll turn the light on and I'll just examine the side of it. It appears to have grabbed pretty well, as you can see there, no problems. Looks like it's not quite grabbed there, so maybe some sort of issue there. The rest of it looks quite good to me. It's grabbed everywhere else. Maybe a bit there where it's come up a little bit, but yeah, no, I think that's job done, and now I can actually use it. What I'm going to use it for is I bought a keyboard and I'm learning how to play keyboard or piano, and I thought this would be ideal. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, I bought this really cheap. The Digitizer cost me £7. And yeah, so all's good. Thanks for watching. Bye.